Welcome to electricalworld360.com. In this series, we are going to solve 3000 plus MCQs with answers of electrical engineering. And in this video, we are going to solve the MCQs of electrical measurements and the instruments. Okay. And before we start, if you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification of every video we upload. And you may like us on Facebook also. Okay. And to get the PDF of this video, you may join us on Telegram. Okay. This is our link of Telegram channel, so you may join. The link of our Telegram channel that will be given on the description box. Okay. So this is the question number 1. A dynamometer type wattmeter can be used on DC only, AC only, rectified AC only, AC as well as DC. So in this case, the option number D is the right answer. A dynamometer type or electrodynamometer type instrument can works on both AC and DC. So that's why here the option number D is the right answer. This is the question number 2. Which of the following instruments is integrating type instruments? Wattmeter, energy meter, power factor meter, none of the above. So here the option number B will be the right answer. Integrating type instruments are those instruments which first measure the quantity, then integrate. Integrate means the sum. Okay, addition, that sum it over a period of time. And energy meter, that means energy meter reads the kilowatt hour reading and integrates it for a period of time. Okay, so this is the question number 3. The scale of moving iron instrument is uniform, cramped, linear, all of the above. So here the option number B is right. The scale of moving iron instrument is cramped. Coming to the next question. Question number 4. Which of the following meters is an integrating type instruments? Ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeter, energy meter. So in this case, the right answer is option number D. Energy meter is an integrating instrument, and the other three, that means the ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeter, these are the indicating instruments. Okay. Coming to the next question. This is the question number 5. A Magar is an instrument to measure very low resistance, insulation resistance, Q of coil, and inductance of coil. So basically, it is used to measure the insulation resistance. It may be used to measure the insulation resistance of motor, generator, transformer, cables, insulations, etc. So this is the question number 6. Which instrument has the lowest resistance? Ammeter, voltmeter, Magar, frequency meter. So here the option number A is the right answer. Ammeter has the lowest resistance. In ideal, ammeter has zero resistance, but in ammeter is connected in series, so no voltage drop or power loss must be in it. So that's why in practical ammeter must have very low resistance. This is the question number 7. A moving coil in a dynamometer wattmeter is connected in series with fixed coil across the supply, in series with the load, or any of the above. That means suppose this is the supply, and this is a fixed coil, and this is moving coil, this is resistance, it is connected like this way, and there is a load. Okay, and this is the moving coil, and this is the fixed coil. So here in question you may see the moving coil in a dynamometer wattmeter is connected across the supply. Second, across the supply. So here the option number B is the right answer. Here you can see this is the moving coil and this is the supply. Okay, so this is the question number 8. To increase the range of voltmeter, a low resistance is connected in series, a low resistance is connected in parallel, a high resistance is connected in series, a high resistance is connected in parallel. So here in this case the option number 9 option number C is the right answer. Okay, this is the question number 9. The controlling torque in gravity control meter is proportional to cos theta, sin theta, tan theta. So right answer will be sin theta. Controlling torque in gravity control meter is proportional to sin theta. Okay, coming to the next question, question number 10. Swamping resistance is used to compensate error due to stray magnetic field, large supply voltage, large supply frequency, temperature variations. So swamping resistance are used to eliminate the effect of temperature variation. So in this case the option number D will be the right answer. Okay, D will be the right answer. The Magar is an instrument by which we can measure the high resistance, low resistance, high current or the high voltage. So Magar is used for the high resistance measurement. For measuring high resistance, loss of charge method, mega ohm bridge, Magar is used. So that's why in this case the option number A is the right answer. The Magar is an instrument by which we can measure the high resistance. This is the question number 12. With the decrease in the strength of permanent magnet in an insulation magnet in an insulation Magar due to Ag, the Magar reading will be lower than the actual, will be higher than the actual, will remain unaffected, will fluctuate rapidly. So here the option number A is the right answer. Due to decrease in the strength of the permanent magnet, the induced voltage will decrease and deflecting torque, which is proportional to the voltage, will decrease. So Magar reading will be lower than the actual. So that's why here the option number A is the right answer. Okay, so coming to the next question, question number 13. A static combination of coil and compensating coil is used in Magar to minimize the effect of stray capacitance, surface leakage, stray magnetic field and Ag of the magnetic field. So in this case the option number C is the right answer. Okay, a static combination of control coil and compensating coil is used in Magar to minimize the effect of stray magnetic field. Again coming to the next question, this is the question number 14. The Magar is an instrument used for measure of the high resistance, medium resistance, low resistance and the leakage current. So in this case the option number A will be the right answer. Magar is an instrument used for the measurement of high resistance. The resistance of insulations in general decreases, increases rapidly, increases slowly, does not change. So in this case option number A will be the right answer. Insulation resistance has negative temperature coefficient of resistance. So with increase in temperature resistance will decrease. Which of the following in the best conductor of electricity? Okay, warm water, salt water, cold water, distilled water. So in this case the option number B will be the right answer, salt water. Salt water is the best conductor of electricity because of free electrons present in the salt water. So this is the question number 17. The SI unit of electrical energy is watt second, joule, kilowatt hour, voltage ampere second. So in this case the option number B will be the right answer. SI unit of electrical energy is joule. However, commercial unit is kilowatt hour. Okay. This is the question number 18. Glare is caused due to none of the C and D, both of C and D. So C, option number C is excessive lighting, contrast in the field of vision, and excessive luminance. So here in this case the option number B will be the right answer. So both C and D is correct. Which of the following materials possesses the least resistivity? Iron, manganese, aluminum, copper. So the right answer is option number D. In given option, copper has the least temperature coefficient of resistivity. Okay. Coming to the next question. Question number 20. Which of the following type instruments does suffer from the error due to the magnetic hysteresis? Induction type, electrodynamic type, moving iron type, PMMC type. So in this case the option number C is the right answer. Moving iron meter suffers from error due to the magnetic hysteresis due to moving iron part in the instrument. So coming to the next question. Which one of the following does not employ a null method of measurement? Option number A, Magar, potential DC potentiometer, Kelvin double bridge, AC potentiometer. So here the option number B is the right answer. DC potentiometer, Kelvin double bridge, AC potentiometer use null detector for balancing. Only Magar does not use the null method of measurement. So that's why here I'm sorry, option number A is the right answer. Okay. This is the question number 22. When a multiplier is added to an existing voltmeter for extending its range, its electromagnetic damping remains unaffected, increases, decreases, change by amount depending on the controlling torque. So in this case the option number B will be the right answer. That means increases. Okay. Coming to the next question. Two parallel conductors carrying current opposite direction will exert on each other an attractive force, a repulsive force, an axial force, or the no force. So in this case the option number B will be the right answer. Two parallel conductors carrying current opposite direction will exert on each other and a repulsive force. In indicating instruments, the springs are mainly used to conduct the current to the coil, hold pivot in the position, control the pointer movement, reduce the vibration of the pointer. There will be a pointer. Okay, pointer. So in this case the option number C is the right answer. In indicating instrument, the springs are mainly used to control the pointer movement. Okay, so this is the question number 25. SI unit of conductivity is ohm meter, ohm per meter, mho meter, or mho per meter. So in this case the option number D is the right answer. This is the symbol of the mho per meter. So coming to the next slide. To get PDF file of this video, you may join us on Telegram. The link of the Telegram is given here, you can see. And thank you for watching, and do not forget to press the bell icon when you are going to subscribe our channel. Thank you.